Hi Bell Gang, it is your girl Country Curls and I am back with another video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys my braid and curls tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I achieve these braids with the curls at the end, then keep on watching. Bye guys, see you in my next one. So before I get into today's video, I just want to say to you guys, thank you so much for 10K views. I just want to let you guys know I appreciate y'all so much. I'm super excited because I reached the goal before I wanted to. So I just want to let you guys know that I really appreciate each and every last one of you guys who watch my videos, who click on my videos, who comment down below on my videos, and who share my videos. I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for reaching 10K views. I want to say we did it, you guys. So yay! So our next goal is 20K. So I'm super excited, and I also want to say thank you to my new subscribers. Welcome to the Bell Gang. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. I hope you guys enjoy my content. And with that being said, let's get started with today's video. Today's video I'm going to be doing a braid and curl for you guys. I have done numerous of braid tutorials here on my channel, so if you guys want to check that out you can, but I have never done a braid and curl. So I'm going to be doing braids, my regular braid tutorial, but at the end of my braids I'm going to be adding this white perm rod to the end so I can have that nice curl at the end of my braids. So if you guys want to see how I achieve that look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Bye guys, see you in my next one.
Pam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.